Good afternoon, this is Tim with Capital Renovations, here to do a repair for claim number 2078L363H. Going to be checking for granule loss, mat transfer, brittleness, and creasing. It's February 3rd, 2025 and 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Definitely within the range for repair. Just to show you the condition of this roof, there is substantial granule loss across this roof. But I will be taking every reasonable precaution with this repair. This is the shingle in question here, the damaged shingle. I have a tripod, so I'll go ahead and get you on there and get started. So just to make sure it's a good shingle and it's still recording, looks good to go. All right, so I have the industry standard roof snake. This is the proper tool for this job. I will be breaking loose this first row of shingles over top and also the second row because virtually every shingle is high nailed. So I'll get started with breaking these loose, and so you'll be able to see everything I'm doing with this repair, and I'll get started. So first off, this is the damaged shingle. As you can see, it's creased, you can see from there. And so I'll start getting these up. And the one next to it, the next one. And the top shingles, because these are going to be high nailed. Okay. All right, so I'll start by identifying the nail. So I'm only going to lift these as much as I have to. That's what this roof snake tool is for. I'm just going to lift them as much as I have to, and I'll talk you through it as I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tool, and I'm going to identify the nail underneath, and then I'm going to remove that nail. So that's the first step, is identifying the nail and then lifting it enough to remove the nail. So that's going to be the process the whole way down. So lifting it, getting that nail, and on to the next one. Okay. So, all right, one more nail. And now on to the high nails. So that's going to be this one here. Sometimes you can't get it out from that shingle, so you got to go underneath. So that's what I had to do. And then onto this next one where these two shingles meet. And just going to keep identifying the nails and removing them. So again, just lifting just enough to get my tool in there and to see the nail that I'm going for. Manufacturer for these shingles says that I can go 45 degrees during a repair. I'm not going to go to that degree. I'm going to try to stay under it. That's what the roof snake is made for, specializes for. So I think that should be all of them. Go ahead and see. Yep, got that shingle out. All right, so gonna put my roof snake down and go ahead and do a measurement of this shingle just to make sure the one I'm putting in fits it. So this shingle is 13 inches deep with a 5.5-inch reveal and 30 38 3/4. So let's get this new current shingle down and compare. Okay, so I would say, as you can see, as you'll be able to see in the video, this is 39 1/4, the new shingle. So I will have to trim this, and the reveal is 5 1/2, so that matches, but the width does not. So it's very likely a discontinued shingle. I'll go ahead and get this new one in as best as I can. So I will get my knife and get this shingle lined up to the old one and just trim off the excess. So just cutting through the top layer of the shingle, not cutting down into the ones underneath of it. And then go ahead and bend it to get a good cut. So I did have to trim the shingle to get it in. Again, just going to bend this bit here because I didn't cut into the shingles underneath. And then let's get it matched up again, size-wise. Yep, that's a good fit now. So go ahead and put this old shingle to the side and slide this new shingle in. Okay, just lining it up as good as I can there. Perfect. Now it is in where it belongs. Okay. All right, now to get some nails in it. Start replacing the nails in the shingle. Set my nails there, get my roof snake, and get my hammer. So, again, I'm going to be using the roof snake for this. This tool is designed to hold the nail. That way I only have to lift, identify the strike zone, and install the nail. Okay. Again, on the other end, I'm going to lift, identify the strike zone, and install the nail. So the second portion of the nailing you see there is because when I use this, it nails it in, and then I got to pull it off and put it back on top of the nail to finish driving it. So this is going to need 5 nails. So 2 more, one right in the center. Then just lifting enough to get that nail where it belongs and install it all the way. And just get in the strike zone. And now to replace the high nails. So just gonna lift, get in the strike zone, and hammer it in. So again, same process, just going right next to where that original nail was. Okay. So 2 more nails. This one here. And 1 more nail. All right, so that is a fully installed shingle. The whole process documented. So go ahead and get you off the tripod here just to show you some things. So just take you off of here without turning off my video. Okay, video's still going. All right, so as you can see, that is a fully installed shingle. Already seeing some issues here, so just for demonstration purposes, I'll just do some close-ups, and I'm just gonna rub my hand on this. As you can see, some creasing from that, some granule loss. Yeah, the granules are just coming right off of this. Creasing. You can see some matting fractures from having to lift these shingles. They're very brittle, and just to show you one that's, you know, less disturbed, you know, still uses granules, but not nearly as much. So in my professional opinion, this is a non-repairable shingle. This is non-repairable roof. So reason for that is the condition. And so as a contractor, I have to give every repair I do a 2-year warranty. And I cannot warranty this repair because of the condition of the roof, the condition of the surrounding shingles, and the cascading damages. So just to go to the checklist here, creasing, there's creasing, so that's a fail. Brittle test, that's a fail. They are brittle. Mat transfer, can check for mat transfer. There's no mat transfer, so that's a pass. Granule loss, substantial granule loss, so that is a fail. So overall, this repair is a fail. It's a non-repairable shingle. Again, this is for claim number 2078L363H. Thank you.